salah satu penyebab gangguan kesehatan di kota besar. Nah, dampak polusi udara terhadap pernafasan tidak boleh dianggap remeh.
Kan Organisasi Kesehatan Dunia WHO mencatatkan setiap tahun ada 7 juta kematian yang berhubungan dengan polusi udara. 2 juta diantaranya terjadi di Asia Tenggara dan WHO pun juga memperkirakan bahwa penyakit stroke, kemudian jantung dan kanker paru terkait dengan polusi udara menyebabkan 62.000 kematian di Indonesia.
No, Karawang is bad. Oh, yeah, factories everywhere, pollution, not to mention factories emission.
In my opinion, the air quality in Karawang is getting worse every day. Many areas have air quality that is classified as generate too unhealthy, mainly due to factory smoke in large vehicles.
I understand your point, but we also have to other side. Thanks to industrial area, many people now have permanent jobs and can support their families.
That's right. And don't forget, food stall near factories are doing great business because factory workers often buy snack there. MSMI are becoming more successful and their earnings are increasing.
However, we cannot just turn a blind eye. Many children that live around the initial place are often get cough and have difficulty in breathing. The health implications are real and felt directly by the residents.
You also that when we leave, there are company bases that cause traffic jams and pollute the air.
That is indeed a big problem, but in my opinion, the solution is not to reject industry, but to tighten regulation so that factories are more environmentally friendly.
The problem is not just the air. Many rivers are also polluted by waste. Many fishes die, the water becomes murky, and farmers have a difficulty in irrigating their fields.
You guys are right, but come on, reality isn't easy as it seems, right?
There's no harm in suggesting it, right? We are the next generation.
If industries stop, unemployment could increase. Many high school and career school graduates depend on the factories in Karawang.
But if the environment is damaged, what's the point of having jobs? We'll still be living in an unhealthy place. In the long run, it could be more harmful.
In my view, the emphasis should be on balance. MSMI and community should develop, but the environment must also be protected.
Another issue is industrial waste. Waste sometimes piles up in curtain areas, and the smell bothers nearby residents. There are also factories that dump their waste into rivers.
That's why the government and companies must work together. Waste management must be strictly controlled, not left unsupervised.
And don't overlook to the traffic congestion. Large heavy trucks can also clog the roads. Even we're going to the market or to the school can mean we're getting stuck in the road for a long time.
Yeah, I'm all for it. But what about the old name, Rice Barn? Now it's time to introduce Shell City. Suddenly, the locals need to adapt, right?
Now, Karawang is known as a national industrial center. Many residents are taking skills training so they can work in factories such as training in machinery, administration, or security.
But not all farmers can immediately switch to industrial jobs. Even fresh graduates have a hard time getting jobs, let alone farmers.
Besides working in factories, residents are also helped to develop small businesses such as catering, laundry, or boarding houses.
So it's not just about working in factories, but also changing the way people earn for a living, right?
Yeah, for example, some mother who used to farm now open food stall for factory worker. From there, their income can be more stable.
But on the other hand, agricultural land is getting smaller. If we don't take care of it, the younger generation will forget to do how farm.
I think so. That's why it's important to have special protected natural zone so that rice fields remain and not everything turns into industrial areas.
Karawang is walking between towards rice fields that provide life and factories that provide jobs.
Our task to ensure that both can grow side by side for a better future and for the next generation.
Alright, guys, in the end, it depends on how we respond to it because everything has both positive and negative impacts. What matters most is maintaining a balance between economic growth and environmental protection. That way, future generations can live well and stay healthy.
Jatuh cinta memang lain, apalagi ada kamu di sini. Genggam tanganku sayang, kota ini tak sama tanpamu. Masih rasa